How to decide what package is best for you? This is one of the most frequent questions that we get. So we have different packages. We have our first time option. So if you're not sure what you want to do, you can just buy that. We have an option for single person or for two people. You can come with your friend, you can come with your significant other. You can use the two people pricing option, and that gives you a little bit of a discount if this is your first purchase with us. Anything after that, we have special packages for our 4-week series. And a 4-week series is 1 class a week, 4 weeks in a row. So the 4-class package covers exactly 1 series. And if you want to commit just to that 1 series, this is the best package for you. Again, we have that for a single person or for 2 people, and you save a little bit of money if you're coming with someone else. If you want to commit to more, so if you want to take our series and our practice classes, which is the best combination if you're dedicated to learning, then you can opt for our 10 pack, which is 10 classes, and you can take these in within 6 months. You can use these credits for any group class on the schedule. So after that, we have the 1 month unlimited, which is our most popular package, and that we suggest that you do after you have covered your absolute beginner classes. Then you can play a little bit more and take beginner level 1 and the absolute beginner classes, but anything after absolute beginner, I would say do the monthly package, because it's absolutely worth it if you're taking 2 or more classes a week. Something very important, not everyone will move at the same speed. So even if you're taking an absolute beginner class, after you finish the series, that doesn't mean that you're ready to move on to beginner level 1. So we strongly advise that you consult with your instructor, and if they tell you that you're ready to move on to the next level, then by all means sign up for beginner level 1. And of course that applies to any other level you're in. So make sure you have covered, you have drilled everything in the level that you're taking before you move on, because that foundation that you're learning in the beginner classes is going to open up a whole new world for you. If you know your basics and your beginner level moves, it will make intermediate level so much easier. In beginner level, we drill musicality and rhythm and lead and follow techniques, which is so crucial for you to move on to the next level.